Bright morning everyone! May nagtanong, paano kung walang mangyari sa akin? Pwede bang maibalik yung pera ko? At gusto ko, makukuha ko agad yung benefits ko. So, isa ka ba sa mga ganyan ang mga tanong pagkukuha ng insurance plan? If that's the case, this is the perfect plan for you. Let me introduce to you Sun Accelerate. So, bakit nga ba Accelerate number 8? Dahil 8 years to pay lang ang plan na ito, then ang maturity niya is after 20 years. So, this product offers both protection and savings. So, bukod sa nag-earn pa yung money mo, meron ka pang life insurance coverage. So, let's talk about ano nga ba yung mga benefits ng plan na ito. So, this is how the proposal looks like. And ito yung overview ng mga benefits niya. Unang-una, increasing life insurance coverage siya. So, yearly, tumataas yung coverage mo sa plan na to. Pangalawa, at the end of the 20th year when the policy matures, the guaranteed benefit is 102% of the face amount. Pangatlo, meron din siyang special bonus and dividend earnings. And pang-apat, meron din siyang increasing cash benefits. Kung akala nyo tapos na, well, hindi pa. Because the client is entitled to receive annual dividends na mag-start on the 9th year and pwede na rin siyang kuhanin every year. Or pwede niya rin iwan kay Sun Life to accumulate and earn interest. Tapos ano tong paid up bonus? This is will be given after niya magbayad for 8 years. Parang graduation gift, ganon. Kung ayaw niya naman kunin, pwede niya ulit iwan kay Sun Life para mag-earn ulit ng interest. So, to illustrate, here's the sample of 30 years old female non-smoker client. Meron siyang 1 million fixed amount, then ang maturity benefit niya is 1,020,000. So, after 8 years, after niya magbayad, makareceive na siya ng endowment benefit. So, increasing cash benefit ang matatanggap ni client dito. So, starting 8th year, matatanggap ni client is 80,000. And on the 10th year, 100,000. And 120,000 on the 12th year, and so on. Then, on the 28th year, kung makikita nyo, 200,000 lang yung nakalagay, pero ipa-plus pa dyan yung maturity benefit na 1,020,000 pesos. So, paano ko ba nasabi na may babalik kay client lahat ng binayad niya? So, for example, ang premium ni client is 206,040 pesos per year. So, for 8 years, total na magiging payment ni client is 1,648,320 pesos. So, i-add lang natin lahat ng benefits na nakuha ni client na total of 980,000 plus maturity benefit na 1,020 pesos and total of 2 million. O, diba? Sobra pa din sa binayad ni client. So, if you want to learn more about this plan, you know what to do. Send me a message.